In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix image upload issues in WordPress step by step using simple methods that work in 2026. If you've ever tried to upload an image and got an error, a failed upload, or a blurry, oversized image, this guide is for you. We'll go through permissions, upload limits, plugins, and even file format issues that many people miss. This is beginner-friendly, and you can follow along in real time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage everything on your website. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and find WP File Manager. If you don't already have it installed, you can install it from the Plugins section. Go ahead and open WP File Manager. Inside the File Manager, click on the WP Content folder. This folder controls your themes, plugins, and uploads. Inside WP Content, find the folder named Uploads. This is where all your images and media files are stored. Now, right-click on the Uploads folder and select Permissions. This step is very important because incorrect permissions are one of the most common reasons image uploads fail. Make sure the permission is set to 755. If you see checkboxes, all write permissions should be enabled for the owner. Also, make sure you check the option that says Write Changes Recursively. This applies the correct permissions to all subfolders inside Uploads. Once that's done, click Save. Next, we're going to increase the upload size limit. Sometimes WordPress blocks images simply because they're too large. In WP File Manager, open the appropriate configuration file, usually wp-config.php. Scroll down until you see the line that says, "That's all, stop editing." Right before that line, paste this code. At init set, open parenthesis, upload_max_size, 64M, close parenthesis, semicolon. This increases your upload size limit to 64 megabytes, which is more than enough for most images. Save the file after adding the line. Now, let's talk about image scaling issues. WordPress automatically resizes large images, and sometimes this causes upload problems or quality loss. To fix this, go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Disable Big Image Threshold. Install and activate this plugin. Once activated, WordPress will stop automatically resizing your large images, giving you full control over image quality. While you're here, there's another important thing to check, especially in 2026, file format. Many smartphones now save images as HEIC files. WordPress often blocks HEIC files for security reasons. If your image ends .heic, it may fail to upload even if everything else is correct. The fix is simple. Open the image on your computer and export or save it as a JPEG or PNG file. Then upload the new version to WordPress. This alone fixes the issue for a lot of users. After completing these steps, go back to Media and try uploading your image again. In most cases, the upload will now work without any errors. You've successfully fixed the image upload issue in WordPress. If this video saved you time or frustration, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress fixes, tutorials, and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.